If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on ESPN Plus, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Access the ESPN Plus login page. Go to the ESPN Plus website or open the ESPN app on your device. Click on the login option to begin the process of accessing your account. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process, which is often required to reset your two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your ESPN Plus account. This is necessary for receiving instructions on how to reset your authentication settings. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from ESPN Plus with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password, which may also prompt a reset of your two-factor authentication. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication again. Once you have reset your password, log into your account. Navigate to the security settings to set up two-factor authentication again, ensuring you have the correct phone number or authentication app linked. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully reset your two-factor authentication on ESPN Plus. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to ESPN Plus customer support for further assistance.